2025 is gonna be the year of bold, vibrant, and game changing illustration trends. Whether you are a beginner or a pro, these trends will elevate your work and make your design irresistible. Let's dive in. Hey there, I am Sushma Patel, a professional illustrator with a passion for helping artists like you. In this video, I'll share the top 5 vector illustration trends for 2025, why they are in demand, and how you can start using them today. Trend number 1. First up is retro futurism revival. Think bold gradients, neon palettes, and futuristic vibe mixed with 80s nostalgia. It's perfect for creating high energy designs that grab attention. Want to nail these trends? Play with the color gradients in Adobe Illustrator and explore geometric brushes. It's bold, it's fresh, and it's in demand. Trend number 2, minimalistic line art. So next is minimalistic line art. This trend is all about simplicity and elegance. It's widely used in branding, packaging, and editorial designs. To adopt this style, focus on creating clean, abstract designs with subtle texture. Pair them with neutral color palette for a modern look. Trend number 3, playful 3D vector art. Playful 3D vector art is the next big thing. With soft shadows and chunky designs, this trend is dominating social media and web graphics. Experiment with 3D tools in Illustrator or Blender to add depth and fun to your illustration. Trend number 4, maximalism and chaos. If you love breaking rules, maximalism and chaos is for you. It's a celebration of complexity, great for editorial spreads and experimental projects. Trend number 5, AI integrated design. Finally, AI revolutionizing the way we create. Tools like Adobe Firefly and Midjourney can generate ideas and patterns to kickstart your project. Don't worry, AI won't replace artists, but it can be a powerful assistant. Feeling inspired? Here is how to get started. Pick one trend that excites you. Experiment with tools like Illustrator, Blender, or Procreate. Share your work on social media. Clients love seeing fresh ideas. So, which trend are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe my channel for upcoming videos. Thanks for watching.